Hey everyone, in this video learn how to connect and seamlessly switch between two devices using the Sony WH-1000X M6 multi-point Bluetooth feature. Enable connect to two devices simultaneously in the Sony Headphones Connect app, then pair both devices like a phone and a laptop, one after the other. Once connected, the headphones will automatically switch between them based on which device is actively playing audio or receiving a call. Step 1. Enable multipoint in the Sony Headphones Connect app. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone. Connect your WH-1000X M6 to the app. Go to System Settings, turn on Connect to two devices simultaneously. Step 2. Pair the first device. On the first device, example phone, go to Bluetooth settings, select WH-1000X M6 from the list and pair it. Wait until it's connected and working properly. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth on. Wait for WH-1000X and 6 to appear in the list, then tap it to pair. On your Android device, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and turn it on. Tap Pair New Device. Select WH-1000X M6 from the list and confirm pairing. Step 3. Pair the second device. Turn off Bluetooth on the first device temporarily to free the connection. On the second device, example laptop, open Bluetooth settings, select WH-1000X M6 and complete the pairing. Once paired, turn Bluetooth back on for the first device. Both should now connect automatically. To turn Bluetooth off on phone, swipe down the quick settings on Android or Control Center on iOS and tap on Bluetooth to toggle it on. On Windows 11, go to Settings, then Devices, then go to Bluetooth and Other Devices. Turn on Bluetooth and click Add Device. On Mac, open System Settings, go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Select Bluetooth, choose WH-1000X M6 from the list and click Connect. Here is the note: you can listen to audio from one device at a time, but switching is seamless. LDAC codec is disabled when using multipoint, so for high-res audio, single device pairing is recommended. How to switch audios between devices. Pause or stop audio on the first device, example phone. Play audio on the second device, example laptop. The headphones will automatically switch to it. To go back, pause the second device and play audio on the first device again. No need to disconnect or manually switch. In settings, the headphones switch based on active playback. How it works during incoming call. Connect both smartphones to your WH-1000X M6 using multipoint connection. Play music from smartphone A. You will hear it through the headphones. If a call comes in a smartphone A or B, the music will pause and headphones will ring. Tap the touch sensor on the right ear cup to answer the call. After the call ends, music playback will resume automatically. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.